fishing. That's part of the reason I got this trip. I'll take my kayak out and be able to just go fishing more often. I don't know. I got a F-150. It's kind of an older F-150. It's a 2012. A low miles, only 23,000. Well, we're here at the Swan Lake boat ramp. It's the first time I've been here. There's already a kayaker launching right now. We're about to launch ourselves. I mean, I saw a little bit of live. I haven't seen any like tail flipping. Hey, what'd you catch that red on? Oh, I'm on. It feels like it, yeah. Yeah. Little redfish. I don't think it's gonna make the cut. But I'm happy I finally got a good one. All right, got the first good fish of the day. Little redfish. Caught a catfish before this. Alright, well, we're catching something. That's good. Yeah. I caught that over by you too because I saw some movement. Maybe. There's got to be some trout and red though mixed in. I'm cruising pretty quick over here. It's not so much current. They do. First fish of the day, a redfish. Very pretty fish. Dude, I caught a pelican. I caught a pelican. It freaking grabbed my bait. That was hilarious. Yeah, it grabbed my bait. I think I might, it's right there. That's funny as hell, dude. I wonder if I got that on GoPro. No, it let go. Seagull, sorry. I thought I was on a fish for a second because I wasn't looking and it came and grabbed it up. That's nuts. The seagull just came up and grabbed my bait. Oh, I'm on. Hooked away and we got a bite. Catfish. Yeah, dang old catfish. Tired himself out. Glad I caught something again. So that's 2 catfish, 2 reds for me. I'll let him tire himself out so it's behind me. I know it. Ready to go. Tom, you want to head back? What is it? A huge trout? Oh my god. Monster trout. Alright, Ryan, this is a huge trout. I just caught a keeper redfish. We're on fire in this spot right now. Fish on very okay, but finally getting them. So red I just caught. What's up, YouTube? We just got done fishing right now. I'm heading home.
Take the next right to stay on Bay Avenue, then turn right onto County Road 257.
We actually had a pretty good day today. Ryan out fished me today, so there you go, Ryan. Good job.
Onto County Road 257.
But I did catch a keeper redfish again, which was nice.
Continue on County Road 257 for 2 miles.
Ryan caught like 2 good redfish, a trout. I think he even got a keeper sheep's head. So yeah, he did really good today. I had a couple of clusters that took a lot of time out, but it was fun though. I got to enjoy some fresh air and some rays, and just kind of be away from it all, you know. I think I could see why people get super obsessive with like something like arm wrestling, you know. It's nice to have something like fishing to make you not such a freak, you know. Try to have other things other than arm wrestling. You know, arm wrestling is great, but I think I'm always gonna love fishing, and yeah, it's just good to get out here. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll try to make a video out of this. It always seems like how, you know, but I usually manage to find a way. I actually freaking caught a dang seagull, which is wild. I didn't really expect to do that. Alright, I'm passing a cop. I gotta act like I'm driving and not talking to a camera. But yeah, I throw my bait out there, and it was like on a bobber, and a dang seagull came up and grabbed it and tried to fly away with it. Did fly away with it for a second. So hopefully I got that on GoPro. That was pretty funny. But yeah, just heading back right now. Good times. See you guys later.